Hi, we are going to be working this week again with our book, What Really Happened to Humpty. And I hope you're enjoying this book. I hope you liked it last week. We're going to look more at it this week at a couple of different things. And you're going to be using this book to help with your reading and your writing assignments this week. So your slides are separated because you will be doing an entire writing process, creating your own mystery based off the things that we learned about what really happened to Humpty. Okay. Then we're also going to be doing some reading activities with it. You'll be doing reading code on a passage. You'll be practicing with some nonfiction and fiction to answer questions. We're going to bring back our reading responses this week, so kind of thinking more in depth about this text and the things that we notice. And what's really cool is we're going to kind of be examining the point of view that takes place in what really happened to Humpty, as well as paying attention to the details in the illustrations. Okay, so one thing I just want to point out is that Joe Dumpty here, he is depicted, he's shown in the style of like an old-fashioned detective. Okay, he looks like he's an old movie star in the 1930s, 1940s. He's got this trench coat, this hat. I want to show you one illustration inside the story that really is good, showing that how he's an old-fashioned detective. In here in his little office, you can see on this coat rack here, look, he has a little mustache hanging up, a disguised mustache, his hat, there's a cowboy hat here, lots of different things, an old typewriter. All of these things are kind of fun ways to show that he's an old-fashioned detective, which is pretty cool, okay? Also, to kind of in that same vibe, that same style, if you notice here, Mother Goose, the police chief, look at her old police car, look at her police uniform. It's a little different than what police officers wear today or what their police cars look like, but this is kind of an old-fashioned way of showing a police car and a police uniform. So it's very interesting. I really like those details. Today, when you read the story, I want you to really look hard at the illustrations, okay? Pull it up on big screen so that you can see everything, because you're going to be looking for some new things that maybe you didn't notice before, okay? So work hard this week. You're going to write your own mystery. We cannot wait to read them and hear all about them. And I hope you enjoy week 2 with what really happened to Humpty.